Alright, in this episode, this will be the finale. Me putting all those pieces I've painted onto the bike. Here we go. Alright, we got Levi in the house. Alright, so we put some gasket or some 3M rubber. I don't even know what this is. I don't even know if it's gasket. It's just a rubber tape. I've had it around for a while, but I wanted a barrier between this chrome and the freshly painted tank. And now we're just going to mount the brackets to the fender, to this fender, and make it happen. Damn, does that look sexy. Alright, so we got the tank back on. And I want to kind of show you that locking mechanism. Two bolts that tighten that down, but you twist that on and that locks the tank in position. Kind of a neat little thing they designed. So we got the petcock back in. We've got the tank back on, which was fairly simple to install. Got the gas cap back on. And now we're going to get the seat back on and front fender, and she should be done. We're going to try to crank her over and see what happens. Make sure everything doesn't leak and go from there. You're going to have to loosen that one back out of there. Which way do we need to go? Everyone, I got my special guest, my son Nolan.
Have it go down a little bit.
And we're getting the fender on. Make sure we're not cross-threading it. Yep, keep on going. Okay, snug up the back. All right, I'll snug up my side. The other side. All right, that fender's on. All right, so we're gonna go over the bike. This is the end of the bike paint build thing. Yeah, it's been a long process. I think it came out stellar. What do you think, Nolan?
That's great.
This is our raffle bike, and I wanted a choppers themed, American themed bike, and I think it came out stellar. We will be posting where you can hopefully get your raffle tickets if you're wanting to win this baby. And I think it came out amazing. So with that, this will be the last part, or the end of the part that this is part of. And I am sure if it's going to be 6, 7. Funny enough. So anyways, for that, we'll see you guys later. Hopefully you will like, subscribe, all the material, and maybe I'll see you on the next video. Alrighty, later. Again, this is Reyff Designs, and we have finished our Big Dog paint job, and that's kind of what I showed out in the light. It's a beautiful bike, and just being outside, truly Americana, and I love it. This thing's a beast. I just wanted to end this paint job bike build thing. It's not even a bike build, it's just a paint job. But I had to take it all apart, put it back together. So there you go. But with that, I think it came out great. And again, if you like this material, you like stuff like this back here, like and subscribe. You'll see you on the next one. Alrighty, later.